Hello, welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP broke out, came to that level that I told you would get to. I mean, a little bit higher even. I anticipated based on the target of the triangle formation, you know, when we said there would be a breakout imminent. Based on the target, it took us to 114. Now we're a bit higher now and we are continuing to go up. So I just wanted to let you know what I think now, where we are going, because we broke above these critical levels. Or to be honest, I think in the first instance we actually got exactly to that level that I told you, 113. I did say 113, 114. Well, with 112.68, I think we were close enough. But then we saw some resistance, then we pumped again, actually to 121. So it's going well. And now, you know, what are we doing now? So just want to have a look at it. We came down again, and probably the best place to look at is, let's start on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we can see that we are in overbought territory, which is why we are retracing a little bit and we're slowing down that uptrend. And that's no surprise, because, you know, when you get into overbought territory, and, you know, it doesn't need to stop at 70, which is sort of the barrier between bullish and super bullish, you know, overbought actually. At that point, then you can certainly expect some retracement, and that typically happens. Doesn't need to happen at 70, but you can see throughout the history here, since the beginning of October, we've touched the 70 line various times, but we didn't get through. Whenever we had a bigger pump, you know, we came all the way up to here, maybe 82, 83, but it takes a while. You really need to find one where we actually managed to get above 85 or something. So that's something significant that we did today, coming up all the way there. So we need to cool down a little bit. We just need to cool down a little bit, which is why we're coming down a little bit at the moment. But looks like, you know, I put on this chart here this yellow resistance or support box or zone. So we came all the way up there, retested that, I think, came down there close enough, and now we're sort of coiling up for the next move. Maybe we can see that with a little bit more detail on the 30-minute chart. And there you go. There we've got it. So we came down, downtrend slowing down. Now we get back to a hill. Pretty much what we did here. I'll be waiting for the first green candle now, or the second green candle. We already saw one here. But yeah, we could be coiling up for the next move. Possibly, well, the next clear line for me. And I need to zoom out a little bit again. So let me just go back to the 4-hour chart. Got it on here very clearly. The next one is up here, 123.50. And why actually? I think because it was, we've got, I would probably need to move that a little bit higher actually, because we had support here, a resistance a couple of times before. That was the wrong mouse button. Oh no, sorry. That's not a line I drew. That is the Fibonacci. That's the Fibonacci, the magical Fibonacci. Right. Okay, so that is the point. That's the 0.214 Fibonacci retracement level from the major, from the major high. Right. Sorry about that. I just need to adjust that a little bit. I actually went a little bit too high here, as it seems. So let me just adjust that a little bit. We want to touch exactly that high that we did here. Right, there you go. 122. That is where I think we get to in the first instance. That's the 0.214 Fibonacci retracement level. And there you go. That's an important one. And that is why we found resistance here, you know, and found resistance. He probably didn't quite get there today, but I think in the next attempt we'll get there. If we break that, well, I think then we can actually get to very, very nice levels, all the way up to potentially here 130, where we did find some resistance here. Then we could get to 135, but do we really get there that quickly? I don't think. It would be massive, you know. We would need to make a massive move up. I think it would be a bit of up and down if we get there. But I think, you know, we could get all the way up to 142 actually. And if we break that, well, I don't believe we will easily. So I think at some point up here we'll run out of steam. I think with everything that's still going on in the XRP world, I think we need to wait for the SEC outcome. and what's going on before we actually break that 142 level. But that's just speculation. You know, maybe I'm wrong. I think, you know, is this a sustainable uptrend? I don't know. But even if it's just something like a fake out, or even if we're still in the corrective phase down here, in which we were and possibly still are, we could come back all the way up to the all-time high before we then might drop once further. But if we break that, you know, then we could continue our way to, you know, crazy levels potentially, even here 172, 170, 177, or even $2. But that won't be easy. That won't be easy, but you know, we'll stick close to it. We take level by level, we take step by step. And at the moment, I think in the very short term, we see some further moves to the upside. Certainly next level to watch is here at 122.50, and after that, the 130 level. Right, so hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.